Have you ever been criticized for not writing Pythonic code? Do the terms list comprehension, slicing, or iterables make you shrug? And when writing code, do you use Google a lot to actually check for simple queries like negative indexing or the extend method? Then actually you're in luck, because I have just launched our new Python course on the Things Academy called Mastering Python Lists. And this course is the most comprehensive course on Python lists on the web. You will find anywhere on Udemy or YouTube or anywhere you search. It's the most comprehensive compilation of tutorials and videos about Python lists, and it will guide you from zero to hero in the topic of Python lists. And it covers like concepts and theory behind the list data structure, list methods. It shows you all the list superpowers, what I call list superpowers, like slicing and list comprehension and like all Python list methods. And but it doesn't stop there. I also have a module called to solve actually. We can quickly go over the structure. So you see we have introduction, what is a list, how to create a list, and so on. We go over all Python list methods so that you really understand them by heart and the trade-offs between the different methods and so on. For example, using the extend versus the append method and so on. I go over the big O runtime complexity of those different list methods, which is really critical to understand these computer science concepts and a bit of theory behind Python lists. And I will also give you these list tricks. I call them superpowers, like how to create a Python list of size n, which uses a list concatenation scheme, which you should be aware of. List comprehension, of course, list comprehension on nested lists, slicing, joining lists, membership, complexity of those operations, filtering on Python lists, and also, I mean, we have also sub-tutorial featured by one of our Thingster creators. It's on linked lists in Python and doubly linked list and the benefits and how to implement them, which will even strengthen your conceptual understanding of Python lists as well. And on top of this, we have Python practice problems. So I think it is 21 different of those practice problems, like how to apply logical operations on all elements in a Python list, how to find the maximum element in a list, how to get a list with a list slice with arbitrary indices in Python, how to shuffle a list, how to create a list of random numbers, how to iterate through lists in parallel in Python. So you see, these are highly specific and practical problems you will encounter in practice a lot, and like studying those, going over those will make you much better coder. And I always joke, like mastering the list data structure as a Python code is like choosing to hunt with a gun instead of your bare hands. so you'll not only survive longer, you actually you're actually a more powerful and more powerful person in the field, and you'll thrive in your environment. And having this gun, having this superpower will make you a much better coder, and also like learning the different patterns, how to solve problems with the list data structure, will make you a better computer scientist as well. So this is the most comprehensive guide on Python lists on the web. Check it out. It's now available on the Thingster Computer Science Academy, so free for all premium members and all Thingster freelancer course students. And you can just check it out, like it's the first course on the top on academy.thingster.com. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the course. Bye.